In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Wells Fargo rewards. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The proper way to spend your reward points that you have accumulated in your Wells Fargo accounts is by going over to this website at wellsfargo.com/rewards. In this page, you can browse through all of the features that the reward program offers, and you can see how to exchange your points. As you can see, they offer the option to redeem to your account as balance, redeem for purchases, paying with the reward points, finding gift cards, exploring travel options, and searching for deals. Everything is included inside of the rewards programs for Wells Fargo, and you will be able to use your Wells Fargo rewards points from this page. So all that you have to do is tap sign on to redeem rewards. You will be immediately redirected to another website where you have to input your username and password. This will allow you to see how much balance you have in reward points, and you will see all the options that I displayed on the previous page. Alternatively, if you want business rewards, tap the option below it. But for the most part, this is what you're looking for if you just want to spend your usual reward points. You can find all of these features included, and if necessary, you can browse through credit cards that offer point exclusive rewards. So if necessary, apply for a specific credit card that has more bonuses, and as long as you go to this page and you tap on this option, you will see everything included and how to use your reward points. Unfortunately, I cannot fully display this process because I don't have an account on Wells Fargo with reward points, but this is all you have to do. The process is very straightforward. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, you can try contacting their customer service, and they will also be able to help you spend your points. Just talk to them and they will describe all the rewards that they have and how you can use your points inside of your accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your Wells Fargo rewards. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.